Good morning, Stephanie Kammerman, the Stock Whisperer here with today's Dark Pool Daily Whisper for June 26, 2019. Got tons of stocks for you today, but let's start with the SPY. We had the biggest dark pool level yesterday, 13.5 million late dark pool sell prints from the day before. It's been a long time since we had a 13 million level. I'll be talking about that in today's webinar. Hope you guys are signed up for that. It's not too late. It's not until a couple of hours, but 293.59. This is the level in the sand. I'll be bearish as long as we stay below that. If we close above that, then I will turn bullish. Okay, that's how you have to trade the dark pool. Bullish above, bearish below. No thinking. We had another very big level recently on June 20th, 293.12. We are below that, 10.5 million. We have one level below us, 289.43. We'll see if we do go down there and test that. If we go below that, then that'll be uber bearish. Okay, so watch those levels really carefully. E-minis. We had a pretty big volume spike this morning. Let's see if I can see it. 293, 29.33, 75 cents to 29.37, right in this area right here at 6:40 in the morning. And really using this level as a guide, going to be bearish below 29.30. And I'm only going to be bullish above that volume, 29.3750. Russell, let's go to that one. The Russell bullish above 152.75 and bearish below 151.37. The Qs had a very large dark pool level yesterday. We don't get too big levels of the QQQs too often, but we had a 3.7 million late dark pool sell prints came in at 188.10 from the day before. From this day, they were selling, okay, selling on this day, sorry, right here, but not reporting until this day. That should be illegal, but it's not. But we're going to use it as a level. I will only turn bullish if we can break and close above that 188.10 level. Bullish above 188.50, bearish below 185.75. The DIA, the Dow Jones Industrial ETF, also had a very big level yesterday. 2 million. We don't get too many of those dark pool prints. But again, the volume in the wrong candle. They sold here, but didn't report until here all day long. They're like, oh, by the way, yep, we sold there. 267.12. As long as we stay below that, I'm bearish. And again, if we close above that, I'll buy some calls. Okay, that's how it works. So let's go to the oil futures. And I'm just going to show you those guys. Hold on. They had a really big power move yesterday, right? Last night, were you guys watching the oil futures? Yeah, so here they are. We're up at 59. I'm going to be bullish above this 59 level that we're at right now. Bearish below 58.25. If we go below this pivot, I will turn bearish. Those are really key levels for oil. We did have oil numbers yesterday after the close, and it looks like they like that. Gold futures, yep, we definitely had some selling that happened yesterday. Nice retracement down to the 4 EMA. And now what? Yeah, where are we going from here? Well, I'm going to be bullish above 14.20. And I'm going to be bearish below 13.97. If we break, all right, below this 8 EMA right here, okay, then the trend will change and will most likely come down to probably like this 1380 area. But I'm going to be bullish above 1420. We could go higher. I do see some short-term resistance right here at 14 16 area. We have the 200 simple moving average and the 200 exponential moving average on a 5-minute chart. When those guys are close, there are 2 computerized programs that are selling right there. So I do watch that very carefully for short-term trading. I also use that on a 15-minute chart. Really good stuff. Okay, let's go to BB. BlackBerry has a lot of volume this morning. Bullish above 850 and bearish below 8 for BlackBerry. Micron also really good volume this morning. I spotted a seller on the ARCA book at 35.98 and 36. Let's see if he's still there so I can show you guys what that looks like. Yep, he is. See this? Right here and right here. Yep, there's some sellers. They may take it up there, right? But those guys, we'll see if they're real. Sometimes they spoof. We saw that yesterday actually in the room. Pretty cool when you see them spoofing. Yeah, they pretend they're selling and then they take their offer away right when it gets there. And that's how you know it's bullish, because they're not really selling, but usually they are. But bullish above 36, above that, and bearish below 35. Let's go to General Mills. GIS. Bullish above 51.50 for a retracement trade. Okay, that's a retracement trade back up to resistance. And I'm going to be bearish below 50. And let's see, I saw a seller at 52.50. He's still there. See him there? 7,000 shares right there to sell. And a buyer at 50.60. See, did he move? Yeah, he actually did move. Oh, on the iNet book, maybe not. Let's see. Nope, he did move. He was there this morning and he spoofed. All right, we'll see if he does come back or not. EEM, thank you to Daniel who called this out in the room this morning. Bullish above 43. 43, bullish above. And bearish below 42.25 for emerging markets. It's pretty slow. I don't generally love to trade that, but it's heating up right now. AMD, bullish above 30. That's a big resistance level. You can see all these moving averages right on this chart. 30 is a really huge level. We went right up there this morning and sellers were there. And I'm going to show you right here on the book. You can see them lined up at 30 and 29.90. There's another big guy. Thank you, Robert, for calling that out in the room. Bearish below 29.37. Let's go to Apple. All right, Apple bullish above 199.75. We had that big print the other day, 199.67, and bearish below 196.50. Microsoft also has some really decent volume. Bullish above 135. It's a big level, and bearish below 134 for Microsoft. And NVIDIA, lots of volume this morning. Highly unusual for this guy. 156.25. I'm going to be bullish above. And a retracement trade. Bearish below 154.50 to take us down to earth, to the 8 EMA. So there you have it. Those are your whispers. Until next time, happy trading. That's my secret. Gonna keep it my secret. My secret.